Namaste and welcome to my portfolio of work during MDes program at SPA Bhopal. This is specially curated for you. My name is Jayant and I will briefly take you through three of my projects. Focus of my work has been in visual communication design. For my graduation project, I worked for revitalizing an ancient Indic script known by the name of Mithalakshar or Tiruta. It involved creating a pool of resources that would help in learning and using the script. Following a rigorous design methodology and process, I was able to create Mithalakshar Lekhan Abhyas Pustak, which is a practice workbook for Mithalakshar. Also created a series of slide deck for display devices that would help in demonstrating the way to write. Designed the website for Maithili Sahitya Sansthan Patna, which is the sponsoring organization for this project. This website contains a pool of resources like books, journals, research paper, and videos to learn from. A set of keyboard layout that would help a user to type in the script was also designed as part of this project. Health Passport is a fun way of monitoring one's fitness level. It was a result of human behavior mapping carried out at the gymnasium of SPA Bhopal. Park S is a group project. It uses technology to solve the uncertainty in finding parking spaces in modern cities. Sensors and microcontrollers were used to prototype and get a real-time feedback on parking availability. To know more about these projects, please visit my website www.247jayant.com. All my media handles like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram goes by the name of 247 Jayant. Do connect me there. I would love to hear from you. Thank you. Have a good day.